Okay, I'm going to get you logged in from Bella's account, and that should show you how to find Cocaliso. So you're going to click I'm a student. This is that same link you used to find AR. Okay, you're going to type A Mullins, and then you're going to type in her password, which is 300-498. You're going to click login. I'm not going to save that. Okay, so here you're going to go to Accelerated Reader. And right up here, it should let her search for Cocaliso. Let's see if it finds it. Yeah, so it'll be the first one that pops up. Should be the only one that pops up. So she will click take a quiz. I'm not going to start it. And then she'll just click start quiz right here. Okay, so that is what she needs to do. I hope that helps. I'm going to log her out now so it doesn't mess you up trying to log in. All right, thanks.